In today's video, I'm going to show you how to zoom in and out in Smartsheet so you can work more comfortably, especially when you're dealing with large sheets, detailed data, or smaller screens. If you've ever felt like the text is too small to read, or you just want a better overview of your sheet, this quick trick will make your workflow much smoother. I'll walk you through the exact steps so you can start using this right away. And before we jump in, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple Smartsheet and software tutorials like this. Alright, let's get started. First, go ahead and open Smartsheet and navigate to the sheet you want to work on. You can do this by logging into your Smartsheet account and selecting any sheet from your workspace or home screen. Once the sheet loads, make sure you're in grid view, because this is where zooming is most useful when you're reviewing rows, columns, and cell content. Take a moment to look at the current zoom level on your screen. Depending on your monitor size and browser settings, the sheet may appear too zoomed in or too zoomed out, which can slow you down when editing or reviewing information. Now let's talk about how to actually zoom in and out in Smartsheet. This part is very simple and works directly from your keyboard and mouse. While your cursor is anywhere on the sheet, press and hold the Ctrl key on your keyboard if you're using Windows. If you're on a Mac, you'll usually hold the Command key instead. While holding that key down, use the scroll wheel on your mouse. Scrolling up will zoom in, making the text, rows, and columns appear larger and easier to read. Scrolling down will zoom out, allowing you to see more of the sheet at once. As you do this, you'll notice the view adjusts smoothly in real time. This makes it easy to find the perfect zoom level for what you're working on, whether you're entering detailed data into individual cells or reviewing a large number of rows at once. You can adjust the zoom as often as you like, and Smartsheet will immediately respond to your input. This is especially helpful during meetings or screen sharing, where you want everything to be clearly visible to others. Here are a few helpful tips to keep in mind while using Zoom in Smartsheet. Zooming only affects your personal view, so it won't change how the sheet looks for other collaborators. That means you can freely zoom in or out without worrying about impacting teammates. Also, if you're using a laptop trackpad instead of a mouse, you can usually pinch in or out while holding the Ctrl or Command key to achieve the same effect. If the zoom doesn't seem to work at first, click anywhere inside the sheet to make sure it's active, then try again. Once you've adjusted the zoom to a comfortable level, you can continue working as normal, editing cells, scrolling through rows, or reviewing data with much better visibility. This small trick can make a big difference in your daily Smartsheet usage, especially if you spend long hours managing projects or tracking information. And that's all there is to it. You now know how to quickly and easily zoom in and out in Smartsheet using a simple keyboard and mouse shortcut. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy-to-follow software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.